I think there are three mistakes that people tend to make when they start flipping houses. The first of all is they tend to overestimate the after repair value. So how much the house can sell for after the renovation. And when that is wrong, everything else, like even if everything else is done perfectly, you still wouldn't have the profit margin that you expect to get. A lot of times beginners tend to look too far out when they look at comparable sales, or they look at comparable sales that are a lot larger in a better school district. So that's how they overestimate the after repair value. The second mistake is they tend to underestimate the rehab cost. If you don't know how much the rehab is actually going to cost, then a lot of your profit margin is at risk, because if your renovation budget goes over, then your margin's gone, and sometimes it can cause you to lose money too. So the key is really to get multiple contractor bids. That's how you can accurately estimate the rehab cost. And the third one is beginners tend to underestimate how long the renovation is going to take and how long it's going to take them to sell the house. This happened to me when I was flipping my first house. I thought the renovation, just in my mind and based on my talk with the contractor, that I thought it was going to be done in 2 months. But that was so optimistic. So many things could go wrong during a renovation, especially if you are working with a contractor for the first time. The renovation for my first flip ended up taking 4 months. So it doubled the time. When I went to sell the house, it also took a lot longer, because you never know how the market will react to a flip. I originally estimated maybe 3 months, 3.5 months to exit, but it ended up taking 6 months. So it doubled the holding cost. And if I didn't have reserve enough to cover the holding cost, the financing cost, then it would really be a pickle. So yeah, these are the three mistakes.